Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we make food from our favorite video games. Today we have a special episode and perhaps a start of a new series, recipes from TV shows. We're making a stir-fry beef dish from official Avatar cookbook. I know it's not a game, but Avatar is my all-time favorite TV series and it's full of interesting dishes. And this cookbook is full of fun recipes taken directly from the show, with great illustrations and descriptions written from the point of view of main characters. Today we are visiting Earth Kingdom and making Beifong Beef, a stir-fry beef from Beifong family. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients at the end of the video or down below in the description. Let's start by marinating the beef. We are using a pound of flank steak and cutting it into strips. Try to cut against the grain, this makes the beef more tender. Add to a metal or ceramic container. Rub beef with a teaspoon of baking soda. This will tenderize the meat even more. You can go and sing Secret Tunnel for about 150 times, or you can go and prep some aromatics. We will use garlic, ginger and black fermented beans. You can use garlic press if you want, but it might burn quickly on the pan. Then peel and mince ginger. And finally cut about a tablespoon of black fermented beans. I got them from an Asian supermarket. They have quite a strong smell and they taste like soy sauce. Next, prep your vegetables. We are using red and green bell peppers. Cut the peppers and slice them into thin strips. That looks like a lot of peppers, and that's because it is, but they will get smaller as we cook them. Take one large onion and slice it into thin half circles. When our meat is finished tenderizing, wash it under cold water. Then dry thoroughly with paper towels. To marinate the beef, add a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, or cooking wine. Mix well, cover it with plastic wrap, and marinate for at least 1 hour or up to 24 hours.
Help! Who are you yelling to? Nobody's lived here for centuries.
Well, what do you think we should do?
Think about our place in the universe?
After contemplating for our existence for an eternity, we are finally ready to cook. Use a wok or a cast iron. Get very hot and add 3 tablespoons of oil with high smoking point. I used avocado oil. Get everything ready because you'll have to work quickly. Add your aromatics to the pan and stir for 5 seconds. They will cook and burn very rapidly. Immediately add your beef and stir to coat. Keep cooking beef until it is brown on all sides, about 3 minutes. Then add bell peppers and onions. I was struggling stirring it evenly in my large cast iron pan. You really should make this in a wok if possible. Splash some soy sauce and continue to cook for a couple of minutes. Deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of cooking wine. Continue cooking until the wine has evaporated. Once finished, remove from the heat and add some fresh black pepper. And here you go, Beifong Beef from the Avatar. And it tastes amazing. I'd say Toph would be proud. To serve this dish, I cooked some brown rice to go with the meat. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds and share it with people you love.
It's so tender.
It's good?
Hello.
I hope you enjoy this video and will make this dish. We want to explore more recipes from this book. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and let us know down in the comments which nation we should visit next.
There it is! That's what it will sound like when one of you spots it.